To create a Google slideshow, click the plus icon and select Slides from the drop-down menu. You can edit any of the text boxes, and even edit the theme of the whole slideshow. To add more slides, hit the tiny plus sign, or hit the arrow next to it for a drop-down menu of slide templates. Not only can you edit the text in the text boxes, you can edit the size and shape of the text boxes. If you want to add extra text boxes, click Insert and select Text Box from the drop-down menu. When you create a text box, you draw the shape of the initial text box. Like any other Google file, you can format the font size, the color, etc. One of the benefits of being able to make multiple text boxes is that Google Slides animates their slides in a very specific way. If I just wanted the second detail to pop in, I would right-click on it and click Animate. This will not only add a basic animation, but it'll open the animation options so you can edit. If you're collaborating on the file, you might consider leaving a comment by right-clicking and then clicking on Comment. You can also use Ctrl-Alt-M. A comment is viewed by anyone who the file is shared with. If you put a plus and then type out the name or email of your contact, it'll create a direct comment. This brings that comment specifically to that person's attention. Remember to name your slideshow so it can be saved and shared. To present your slideshow, click Present. To transition through animations and slides, hit the space bar or use your arrow keys. Click Escape when your presentation is complete. Like all Google files, you have lots of options for sharing, either a URL or by email.